Yeah. Put your hands up. Waving side to side like. This for the hip-hop you wanna call old school. This for my youngins born back in '02. This for the vibe and not so enjoy the party. This for you too. This for everybody. This for the hip-hop you wanna call old school. This for my youngins born back in '02. This for the vibe and not so enjoy the party. This for you too. This for everybody. I'm two-stepping it, did it just for the Benjamins. Been in play since Bill Bellamy started acting in that movie with the top down and the sun shining. They out here chasing clout. I call it skydiving. You think I'm lying? Waterfalls was a bigger problem. Plus a pocket full of paper. How you get the Uchiwali? I feel I'm Gandhi in the Maserati. Cause I raised the pieces start to embody money. It's funny, honey, that ladies love me, I'm bubbling. Saucy since the days as a trouble kid, I'm arguing with adults, feeling I'm smarter than talking shit like I dropped a comment from Common Sense. Stay wavy, game changing, foundation. Been dripping since Rap City was in the basement. So while you hating, I'm influencing the innovators. And in relation, my legacy became greater. This for the hip hop you wanna call old school. This for my youngins born back in '02. This for the vibe and not so enjoy the party. This for you too. This for everybody. This for the hip hop you wanna call old school. This for my youngins born back in '02. This for the vibe and not so enjoy the party. This for you too. This for everybody. Whole party be feeling the vibe, we true to it. New school with an OG mood to it. We keep moving regardless what you doing. No boo-hooing, we make dope music. The cloth cut from a different fabric is passion. So while you dancing and laughing, enjoy the magic. So while you trapping, I'm laughing and chilling poolside. Selling crypto like a modern day cool guy. Hey, don't knock it till you try it, homie. We make money, don't ever need to take money. Your boy hungry, come feed your family and earn something. Can burn something, I know you gon' learn something. No bugging, been plotting my success since my teacher told the class I'm never gon' be shit. I probably just needed a little bit of discipline. But now I'm feeling like 50 Cent on many men. Many men can rock it like me. On a school beat. Your sound is microwave, so throw the mic away. Many men can rock it like me. On a school beat. Your sound is microwave, so throw the mic away. This for the hip hop you wanna call old school. This for my youngins born back in '02. This for the vibe and not so enjoy the party. This for you too. This for everybody. This for the hip hop you wanna call old school. This for my youngins born back in '02. This for the vibe and not so.
All right, we're just wrapping up the agenda show. Thank you for everybody that came out to Planet Hollywood High. You guys made this event as dope as it could be. We want to pay a big shout out to all the sponsors. Las Vegas Car Wraps, Tattoos and Smoke, Reaper's Grip coming up big and representing with the mural. Also, the Dope Exchange, the Drop, we'll give them a shout out. And anybody else that dropped the prizes, Hubs, Black Rose, Wreck Wheels, all you guys are the man. We love you. And see you next February. It's going down again.